celebrate the birth of boy. Christmas mystery, Christmas plan, celebrate the life of man. Christmas message, Christmas joy, celebrate the birth of boy. Christmas mystery, Christmas plan, celebrate the life of man. There's a song of love to sing in a world that's filled with hate. Broken lives can still be mended, though we know the hour's late. There's a song of peace to sing, though there's thousands now oppressed. There is freedom for the prisoners, gift of mangers, newborn guest. Christmas message, Christmas joy, celebrate the birth of boy. Christmas mystery, Christmas plan, celebrate the life of man. There's a song of faith to sing in a world of deep despair. There is new light for the people and a gospel to declare. There's a song of hope to sing, God is making coming soon. Come to manger at the birth, the power of love is breaking through. Christmas message, Christmas joy, celebrate the birth of boy. Christmas mystery, Christmas plan, celebrate the life of man. There's a song of life to sing, laughter in the midst of pain. Cross gives way to resurrection, joy possesses us again. Christmas message, Christmas joy, celebrate the birth of boy. Christmas mystery, Christmas plan, celebrate the life of man. Christmas message, Christmas joy, celebrate the birth of boy. Christmas mystery, Christmas plan, celebrate the life of man. Like hoar frosts and sparkles on winter bare trees, like gentle caressing of springtime's sweet breeze. The mystery of Christmas with sparkle and light transfigures our world and gives gift of new sight. Consider the wonder and pause at the grace of life-giving love reaching out to our race. God's love has been spoken in birth of His Son. A new day on earth has now surely begun. All men and all nations have sought what is found. The humblest of places becomes holy ground. A cry in the night alerts all men to see how near comes the kingdom to you and to me. His child will wear cross and His child will wear crown. For He will be lifted, for glory, for God. God's love which is judgment, God's love which is right. God's love is together and silence is strong. In stillness receive the rich gift of this night. This flesh-taking love puts all evil to flight. The Christ that was born in that now distant hour still offers His kingdom with its healing power.